The Department of Homeland Security is revoking the immigration status of migrants who enter the country using the CB One app. This could potentially impact hundreds of thousands of migrants. This comes as the Supreme Court says the Trump administration can temporarily use the Alien Enemies Act for deportations. Now, that's what the United States used to detain Japanese nationals during World War II, and now the administration wants to do the same to Venezuelan nationals who have gang ties. Amy Kiley reports.
This is a win for the Trump administration.
The Supreme Court is allowing deportation proceedings under the Alien Enemies Act for now, but with stipulations. The ruling throws out a U.S. district judge's order. President Donald Trump says on social media it's, quote, a great day for justice.
You can use these additional authorities, such as the Alien Enemies Act, to target these terrorist organizations.
But the Supreme Court says the men involved in the case can challenge the use of the Alien Enemies Act. They just have to do so in the district where they're detained. The justices say anyone facing deportation under the wartime law should have that opportunity. The ACLU calls that a victory. It comes after ICE sent alleged Venezuelan gang members to an El Salvador prison while legal challenges were still playing out.
They actually, as a practical matter, can get to the courts and not be whisked away in the middle of the night like was originally done in this case.
Another ruling from the Supreme Court yesterday involves a Maryland man erroneously deported to El Salvador. The justices say the U.S. doesn't have to bring him back for now.
That they can whisk someone out of the country by accident and then have no responsibility to fix, what they've broken just doesn't make sense as a legal matter and is also just disturbing as a matter of constitutional law.
I'm Amy Kiley reporting.
And the IRS has reached a deal with Homeland Security officials to share sensitive taxpayer data with federal immigration authorities. As part of the deal, the IRS will turn over information on undocumented immigrants who are already facing deportation orders.